Ake sikhulume nge-general formula. General formula ake sibheke ama-alkanes. Alkanes. General formula of alkanes. Ama-alkanes asiqale ngale yokuqala sino CH, H, H, H. This is what? This is methane. All right. Now, uma ngizoya kwi-ethane. Uma ngiya ku-ethane, ake ngithi ngithatha i-ethane yethu ime kanje. It's 1, 2, 3. Asithathe ukuthi yile carbon le. Now bese ngifaka i-carbon yesibili enabo hydrogen ababili. Ngifake kule ndawo, le ndawo le ngikhiphe u-hydrogen ngawugodla. I decided just to withhold my hydrogen just for a moment, so as to put this carbon with 2 hydrogens here. Then then I return that hydrogen that was here. I return it to that side. Okay, that brings me to ethane, which means what I've added, I added carbon with 2 hydrogen. Each time when you add a carbon on a chain, it elongates the chain, and the difference now we have an ethane. Sorry, ethane. So we have ethane. Let me add on this chain another carbon. Each time when I add another carbon, it goes together with hydrogen. Now I want to add here, I will withhold this hydrogen. Ngiyayigodla ukuze ngifake sengifake leya carbon. Let me do this. Ngiyabuyisela lokhu. This is CH3 okuyile no CH okuyile, bese sizofaka ke lo carbon. U-carbon ungena no hydrogen ababili. Then mese ngifakile, then I return le hydrogen bengiyigodlile bese ngifaka la. This becomes propane. Okay, which means when you look at this, le carbon ihamba no hydrogen ababili. Nansi carbon ihamba no hydrogen ababili, 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 carbon ihamba no hydrogen ababili. In Sesotho bare carbon e tsamayang le di hydrogen tse pedi. Hence ke bontsha mo ke a le bontsha gore carbon e tsamaya le di hydrogen tse pedi, carbon le di hydrogen tse pedi, carbon jalo le jalo. Carbon e tsamayang le di hydrogen tse pedi, carbon le di hydrogen tse pedi, carbon le di hydrogen tse pedi, jalo le jalo. Itsamaisana le hydrogen tse pedi. Mara uma ubheka la, there is always these hydrogens that are emaceleni. They are always there, these hydrogens. We are talking of general formula of alkanes. So if carbon ihamba no hydrogen ababili, if carbon is N, then hydrogen will be 2N. But because ama-alkanes analabo hydrogen who are always there, these ones, the ones that I shaded, the ones that are shaded, then we will say +2. These are the additional hydrogen in over and above the carbon ehamba no hydrogen ababili. Ngamanye amazwi, the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. So we have that. Now coming to the general formula of alkenes. Alkenes. All right. Obviously, we cannot talk of, let's look at alkenes. Or let me write it here. Of alkenes. How about alkenes? Let's start from ethene, C. Let's say we have an ethane. Let's start there. It's an alkane. How do we identify an alkene? We see alkene is always having a double bond between carbon. Double bond. That is an alkene. That is their general, that is their functional group. That is their functional group. That is their reactive site. That is where they react. Double bond. Now, isuka aphi le double bond? From an alkane, once you remove 2 hydrogens, then carbon and carbon will form a bond. You remove 2, so carbon and carbon will form a bond. Obviously, ethene, sitheni na, besine ethane, and then we removed minus 2 hydrogens. Then we have an ethene. Okay, what about, let's say, butane? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane, H, 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 H. Now, once you remove H2, you need to have a double bond eyodwa. So once you remove O hydrogen ababili, right, once you remove O hydrogen ababona, ungasusa lo or laba or labana, because once you remove about 2 hydrogen, then you will have a double bond here. Then this becomes an ethene, an alkene. So we can say an alkane minus 2 hydrogen, you have an alkene. Once kuphuma o hydrogen ababili kwakheka an alkene. Esingathini ke asiye kwi general formula of alkanes. We have CnH2n plus 2. Now we remove hydrogen about 2. Then mesma remover, asma remove kwi formula. We remove all hydrogen about 2. Then we will have CnH2n. So, ngamanye amazwi, the general formula of alkanes, but of alkene is short ngo hydrogen about 2. hence kuwakheke i-double bond. What about of alkynes? Alkynes kumele kube i-triple bond. So from ethene kule double bond, once you remove all hydrogen amabili, then you have a triple bond. Angipinde futhi. We alkene, in our case it's ethene. We general formula of CnH2n. Ukuze sakhe i-ethyne, then what can you do? We remove all hydrogen amabili. Uma kuphuma hydrogen amabili, then kwakheka i-triple bond. Oh, nansiya CnH2n. Once we remove hydrogen amabili, then what do we have? CnH2n. Siya remove la abangaki na abawu2. So we have -2. So which means all in all, kuma hydrocarbons. What is hydrocarbon? It's a structure which has both carbon and hydrogen only. Hydrocarbon. Alkanes are hydrocarbons. Alkenes are hydrocarbons. Alkynes are hydrocarbons. But we know that alkenes and alkynes, they are unsaturated. You can still add kuma alkenes and alkynes. Now, so we have the general formula of alkanes. Alkanes keep OH2, you form alkenes. Alkenes keep OH2, you form alkynes. Let's go to general formula. General formula of alkanes, it's CnH2n plus 2. So keep OH2, so keep hydrogen, so CnH2n. Messi keep futhi hydrogen, H2. So CnH2n minus 2. Ngoba siyakhipha hydrogen. This is a general formula. Inhle kakhulu. If bonayo i-camera nje uzoyishutha bese uyifaka ibe i-profile picture yakho. Ube i-profile picture enhle enjena nabantu bazokusaba ukuthi uyinkunzi wena simuso nama profile picture aloluhlobo. Right. So sesiwenzile ke general formula of alkanes and alkynes, or of hydrocarbon. What about haloalkanes, alcohols, njalo njalo? Ake sibheke i-general formula of haloalkanes.